Hello everyone, I have one more dancing tip for you today, and this is about pivots. So a pivot is when you stop and you rotate about 180 degrees and you go back the other way. So we have our lines, left, right, forward and back, and whichever way we walk, then the pivot will be we turn and we go back the way we came from, right? So what you need to be careful here is the rotation of your shoulders and your hips while you do this. So when we pivot, I see sometimes some people not have this at the same orientation. So you need to try for your shoulders and your hips to both be at the same orientation with each other, so both parallel. So the not very good way to do this would be, for example, something like this, where my hips are quite rotated and my shoulders are pointing there and my hips are pointing there. So they're not in alignment. So I need to have my shoulders and my hips point at the same side together. So if you be careful about your shoulders and your hips when you do a pivot, it can look like this. Step, I move everything together. Without the robot hands, it can look like this. Yes, so a couple more examples. Yes, hips and shoulders, same side. Yes. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this tip, and we'll see you next time.